Well, this holiday season, researchers over at Oak Ridge National Lab, they got some robots. For months, teams across the country have been working on different parts, and we've been following their progress here on EnergyCast. Now, the pieces are coming together and they are ready. Our team got to be there as the first robot got to work.
That is exciting, yeah.
Just a few months ago, Dr. Venu Varma showed us this open space inside a 1960s era building.
The work cell that we are developing for EM will be basically situated right over the plugs.
At the time, we could only imagine what would soon fill it. From this to this, an exciting next step for most of us.
I couldn't basically be euphoric about all these pieces coming. I was worried about, oh, I need to integrate them. Oh, I need to program them. Oh, I have not tested each of these individual tools.
Now that the pieces are here, it is Varma's job to troubleshoot and get them ready to safely deploy. Which is why today he's stressed.
I would rather make sure that I break it right now. And I have already broken something, and I know I need to basically fix it, and we were talking about how to fix it, how to make it better. And I would rather fail right now when everything is open than fail it once it's deployed.
So far, so good. The robots at Oak Ridge National Laboratory are as tangible now as the items they can pick up with their touch-sensitive gloves.
Yeah, no.
Though they have no heartbeat, they are as much a part of this team as the humans operating them.
I do have a robot on the team.
While a person controls the digital twin, the action is executed by the robot.
I'm very excited.
Young Soo Park has been in town from Argonne National Lab for months. His team made many of the pieces that are here now, which is why today he's excited.
Try to just expand system, put it out there world, and have Venue clean up the mess, right? So we were here, like, let's do this, and then Venue was always, oh, I'm not sure. She was kind of pessimistic.
And these two are as bonded now as the robots they created.
You make a really good team, it sounds like.
Seems, because I didn't have to worry about that part too much. We just do our technology integration part, and he will take care of the difficult part. So, yeah.
A national team effort that will make EM cleanup work safer.
The fact that now we're focusing in ORNL and Y12 and the high-risk facilities is really an endeavor that is meritorious, and that it really, at this point in time, requires technologies like this to protect our dear workers.
Teams here will continue to test the technology, but in the future, the hope is to use them in hot cells. Take this radioactive wire, for instance. It was removed from the East Cell Bank over the summer. Crews had to suit up and fish it out from 25 feet above through an opening atop the hot cell. It took them months just to plan for the big day.
That's exactly what this system's there to do, is to keep it where we can do our job, continue the D&D work, and get the facilities knocked down that we need to, so we can continue building here at the Oak Ridge National Lab.
And while Varma continues to feverishly integrate the robots into the workflow, the human connection they bring is real.
I'm super ecstatic, and I love sharing when things like this go well. It's a lot of fun to see the smiles on people's faces.
So while we go back to imagining what's to come,
now we need to take it the hard part, to put it actually to where it can go in the field and be useful in the field.
This team is focused on bringing their high-tech vision to life.
If I deploy it, it has to work.
Which is why today they're all motivated. Now, the next phase of this project will be spent testing that new tool. Once the team is confident it can be implemented in a real hot cell scenario, it will be deployed. We will certainly be closely monitoring that progress.